Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math question. Let's solve this one together. A cube has an edge length of 68 inches. So we're talking about a cube and one side is 68 inches. A solid sphere with a radius of 34 inches is inside the cube, such that the sphere touches the center of each face of the cube. So on top and bottom. To the nearest cubic inch, what is the volume of the space in the cube not taken up by the sphere? So I will try to do my best to draw this, illustrate this, but not great in art, but I will do my best. So let's say we have a cube. All right. Let's connect these. So this will make up a cube. So one side of the cube is 68 inches. So all the sides are 68 then. You know that cube has 68, 68, 68. So we will try to draw a sphere inside. The sphere is touching bottom and the center of the surface as it's indicated in the question, and a radius of 34 inches. So technically the question is, we will try to find the remainder volume around the sphere inside of the cube. So to do that, we will take away, technically, I believe you already imagined that, from the volume of the cube, we will take away the volume of the sphere. If we will do that, that's going to give us the remainder. The volume of the cube formula is, let me write down the formulas. This is, if the side is A, this is A cube. And for the sphere, you will be given these formulas in the formula booklet, in the test, so you don't have to memorize it during the exam. When you click on the references, it's gonna take you to the formulas. 4/3 p pi r cube is the formula for the sphere. So technically, we're looking for a cubed, which is 68 cube minus 4/3 times pi times 34 cubed. So you're allowed to use your calculator, as I said in the exam. If you will just use your calculator, you will be able to determine these values by your calculator, but I will just give it to you. 314,432 for this one, and with just inches cube, by the way, inches cube the unit. Take away, we're gonna multiply 4/3, so 4/3 by, use your calculator, as I said. If you will just use your calculator, 4/3 times pi and 34 cubed. Pi, you need to use pi 314. It's not only 314. It's, if you want to get exact results in the SAT, you will need to use value for the pi 3.141592. That's the value you're supposed to use scientifically. So if you will just do the calculations, this will become this, and if you will take away from this number from that, That's gonna be 149,796 inches cubed is the answer. So our right choice is A for this question. Technically, for this problem, we didn't do a lot of things. You just use your calculator, but during the exam, you're supposed to go and hit the reference button icon in the exam, so that you can locate these formulas and just do substitution. Rest is pretty simple and self-explanatory, I can say. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you good luck on your exams and tests. Have a good one. Thank you.